students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I am a subject teacher of social study, and in our last video we have discussed about chapter number 8, and chapter name is Traditional Indian Clothing. And in this video we are going to discuss about the worksheet of chapter number 8. And student, first of all, let's have a quick overview on the chapter number 8, Traditional Indian Clothing. So student, first of all, you have to know about what is the meaning of tradition. Tradition means something that has been a part of our culture for a long time, known as tradition. It means something that wear you can wear any dresses for a long time. For a long time, you can say that this dress is a part of our culture for a long time. It's known as the traditional dresses of India. So student, I hope you all understand about what is the meaning of tradition, and in this chapter we will discuss about the traditional Indian clothing. Traditional Indian clothing means the cloth that are a part of our culture for a long time is known as the traditional Indian clothing. So student, in our country there are number of states. So every state has its own traditional clothing, and every state wear traditional cloth according to their culture, and every state represent their culture by the traditional clothing. So the main reason for the variation in dresses are difference in climate. You can say that people wear dresses according to the climate, so there are variation in dresses. Next, changing season. You can say people wear clothes according to the season, like people wear light clothes in summer and warm clothes in winter. Next one is tradition and culture. Here you can say people wear dresses according to the tradition and culture. People wear dresses that has been a part of their culture for a long time, known as traditional dresses and according to their culture. Next, some traditional clothing of India: साड़ी, सलवार कमीज, घाघरा चोली, धोती कुर्ता, pajama kurta, pagdi and topi are the traditional dresses of India. So student, you have to you should respect your culture and you should respect your traditional clothing. So student, now come on the exercises. Choose the correct answer. So student, in this exercises you have to choose the correct option from the given option. You have to choose the correct option from the given option and take the correct answer. Now look at the first. Traditional clothes are those. So your option is that has been a part of our culture for a long time. Second, that will keep us cool in hot weather. C, that are easy to wear in winter. And D, that are richly embroidered. So student, what is the meaning of traditional? Traditional means something that has been a part of our culture for a long time. So traditional cloth means something that has been a part of our culture for a long time. You can say that first option A is correct. Option A is correct. So you have to take the option A. Now come on, second number. The Sudan is worn in. The Sudan is worn in where the people wear Sudan. The women of Kashmir wear a similar costume like salwar kameez is known as Sudan. So the Sudan is wearing, first option is Kashmir, second Kerala, C Meghalaya, third Tripura. Your correct answer is option A, Kashmir. Now look at third. The ghagra is a kind of The ghagra is a kind of option A blouse, option B pajama, option C long skirt, option D hat. So your correct answer is long skirt, because ghagra is like a long skirt. Ghagra is like a long skirt which is worn with blouse. Now look at next. The mundu is a kind of, the mundu is a kind of, option A pagdi, option B kurta, option C dhoti, option D shirt. Student, the mundu is a dress similar to the dhoti. So the option number C is correct. So you have to tick the option C. Now come on the next exercise. Mark the following sentences as true or false. Correct the one that are false. So student, in this exercise you have to give answer according to the statement, and when the statement is right then your answer will be true, and when the statement is wrong then your answer will be false. So look at the first. Sari are worn in different way in different parts of India. Is this statement is right or wrong? This statement is right, because same sari is worn in different parts of India in different ways. So you have to write the true at this given box, and it's already written. Now look at next. A dupatta is a long piece of cloth usually worn with salwar kameez and ghagra choli. So student, is this statement is right or wrong? Right, because dupatta is always worn with salwar kameez and ghagra choli. So you have to write true at this given box, and here true is already written. Now look at third number. The dhoti is worn by man. Is this statement is right or wrong? Yes, this statement is right, because dhoti is worn by men of India. So you have to write true at this given box, and here true is already written. Now look at fourth. The Sikh are the only men in India who wear pagdi. Is this statement is right? No, a Sikh is not the only man who wear pagdi. Man in Rajasthan also wear pagdi. A man in Maharashtra also wear a Gandhi topi. A Muslim man wearing a cap also. So the every religious every religious of man, every man's wear the pagdi according to their religious in different style. So this statement is wrong, so you have to write false at this given box, and here false is already written. So student, I hope you all understand about the exercises, and you have to done this exercise in your CW copy. Thank you, and